Good day to everyone that is watching me right now. And I want to say thank you for being there for us. Thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. Thank you for the support you are giving to us all the time. You are welcome once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Online Forex Class. This is where we teach forex traders so many things that we need to know. Here, we learn together, we do things together, we try as much as possible to make sure that we get this business right. You know, so what we are going to teach today is what we are going to learn today is trading system. Because for anyone that is coming into forex trading business or trading business, because we have so many things to trade in the market. We have ETF, we have indices, we have forex, we have commodities, we have cryptocurrencies, we have a lot of things. But all of them put together, as long as they are using charts, they need trading system to guide us through. Now, what is trading system? Trading system is a set of rules that guides a trader in market analysis in order to make the right decision, a right decision in the market. Now, for every trader, you need a trading system. Don't get yourself confused. Trading system is different to trading tools. We are going to talk about that later in this series. But then let's talk about the trading system we are talking about. Now, a trading system is what you need to make money in the market, because since it is a set of rules that guides you in market analysis, since the market trading market is highly complicated, very complex in nature. So you need a set of rules that will guide you in one area or the other, so that you can make a good decision or informed decision in the market. Now we are going to talk about the characteristic of a good trading system. You know, though it is in threefold, as you can see on the board. We have a direction, we have entry, and we have exit. So for this part today, we are going to talk about direction. Direction in what sense? Direction is the only way to make money. Once you are able to get the direction right, you surely will make money. Even if a newbie knows where the market is going at any point in time, on a follow through, I'm telling you, you will make a lot of money. So now a good trading system must be able to give you direction, the most likely direction for any currency pair at any point in time. Even though we don't have a holy grail trading system, no trading system is perfect, but at least if your trading system is giving you 50-50, profits level as the ratio of risk reward ratio 1 to 2, is going to be a very good trading system to make money. You will make a lot of money. Then even if it is giving you something like uh, 60, 70, it must be maybe risk reward ratio 1 to 1, at least on leverage 1 to 100, which is the best, very best for every forex trading. Leverage 1 to 100 is a very good and moderate leverage for any trader in the market. Now, let's talk about the direction we are talking about. Direction in the market is actually talking about trend. Trend market moves in 3 ways. 3 ways. The first one is up. The first one is uptrend. The second one is sideways. It is also called market consolidation. Then the third one is downtrend. Downtrend. So now a good trading system must be able to give you, tell you the direction where the market is going, because that's the only way to make money in the market. If you don't get the direction right, you will surely lose your money. Like now, we have uptrend, we have sideways, we have a downward trend. So now, if you the direction, you need a lot of things that you actually that trading system must be able to provide you. So and then now, when we are talking about trading system, it is also the putting together of some maybe one or two or three or four indicators to form a trading system with a set of rules that will guide you. So when we are talking about good trading system, it is the combination of the indicators, whether custom or default. Indicators in the market. Some people also they don't they don't use indicator, they use just price action. And this price action we are talking about has to do with, price action with to do with naked charts. They don't use any form of indicator no matter what. They believe that candle itself, or let me say chart itself, is an indicator that never lags, that never will put you in confusion. So we have to get the direction now, you need indicators. Then number two, to get direction also, you need to know channel lines. So through indicators, we are going to go back to it one after the other. You know how to draw your channel lines. Channel lines. Then the third one is a series of same candle in a particular direction. So that one will show you that this market is buying, or it is selling, or it is moving sideways. So when the now let's now go back to the indicators. Now we have we have different kind of indicators. They are in group. So the first one we are going to talk about one today because of where we are going now. We are talking about direction. We are still going to talk about entry and exit, but not in this video because I don't want this video to be very long. So we have a long way to go. So don't be in a hurry. You can always come back here every time. Just make sure that you subscribe and share this thing, like it, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that whenever we post subsequent videos, you'll be able to you will get notified of new video that has been posted so that we can move along with us. Now we welcome comments because everyone is learning. No man is an island of knowledge. We learn from one another. So whether you're a newbie or intermediate or a professional, please we need your input. Just make sure that whatever your comment will be, please let it be a comment where people will learn, where people will be encouraged. We don't want foul language. We don't want an insult. If you believe that you know more than all and you cannot be patient with us that are just coming up and learning, please, I will love it if you can move forward, so that leave us alone and let other people that really love people to learn, that love people to grow, so that they can come into our midst and teach us, you know, open our understanding concerning so many things we don't know. We learn from one another. Iron sharpness iron. So as we continue now, we are talking about direction. Direction. So a good trading system must be able to let you know the direction of the market because that is the only way to make money. So through direction, you can get direction through number one, indicators. Number two, uh, channels, price actions, channels, then series of candles that when we have series of candles that goes up, that the market is going up. So let's start from the beginning. Then we said we have different kind of indicators. We have a group of indicators that is called trend following indicator. These are the ones that will show you how to get the direction right. Whenever, if you can use only one, you can combine the two together, you can combine three, you can combine four together. Thus, what you need is just to get the direction of the market, which is called trend. Trend. So now, I wouldn't want to, impose any indicator on you, but I will just use this one as an example. Take for instance now, some people they can use trend following indicators like simple moving average. Though there are so many trend following indicators, but the most popular are moving average. So the first one, you can use simple moving average, you can use exponential moving average. We have so many of them like that. But then to make it simple, because a simple system works best, all you need to do is just get the direction. You can use any period at all as long as it's working for you. No, please stick to whatever works for you. Don't say because Mr. Trader Hay is using this and is making money. It doesn't guarantee you making money with the same system. It doesn't guarantee you making money with the way it trades, because you are a unique trader that is different one or the other. Take time to sit down. Yeah, now by the time we are finished with this series, you're able to sit down and create your own trading system that works for you. So, no, there is no one size fits all in trading. All you need to do is just get your own system right and stick to it as long as it is working for you. Whether it is complex, whether it is simple, just make sure that it is what is working for you and stick to it. By the time you stick to it and you are practicing, you are, applying it to the market, using it to make money, you continue to learn and continue to grow. So later it will become part of you that you don't have to scratch your head before you can just go to the market and look at it in just in 1 second or two. You know exactly what to do in the market immediately. So now we are talking about direction. So we are talking about indicators. So some people they use a combination of simple moving average and exponential moving average. That's whatever works for you, just use it. Some people may use the combination of each, like a SMA with another SMA, or SMA with EMA, or EMA with another EMA. Whatever works for you, just use it. But then how do you get the direction? That is, the simple logic there is that if you are using just only one indicator, let's assume that you are using EMA, EMA 20, and you really want to, with this only one moving average, you want to get the direction of the market, all you need to do is very simple. It's like this. Whenever the market, the price, let's assume this is your moving average, this is your moving average, and then whenever the price, this is your EMA 20, then whenever the price climb up above this EMA, then know that we are talking about buy here. We are talking about buy. That is, the market is moving upward. The market is moving in upward direction, which is upward trend. So that if the this is your another scenario in the area of sell. So if the price actually move below, this is your EMA 20, then this is your price. This is your price here. So we are talking about sell, which is downward trend. This is downward trend, downward trend, downward trend. This is upward trend. So now when we are talking about consolidation, so consolidation is when the price is moving sideways. It's not moving up, it's not moving down. So now you cannot draw your channel and know that the market is not moving upward, it's not moving downward. So this one is what actually I see like you know a notification for you to get ready. So when this is happening in the market, it's made the market is telling you that we are going up. So get ready to buy. After combining it together with other indicators that we actually confirm it for you that yes, we are going up. We are going up to buy. Then this same also when you combine it with other indicators or other, things that you see in the market to confirm that the market is actually selling, and the market is actually selling before you enter your sell trade. So now, when we're talking about this one means that you should wait because the market is in a kimbo. That is, there is certainty in the market. The market is getting hold, is bottling up. So that means the power of the buyer and the seller matches each other. So no one is above the other, no one is dominating the other. So that is why you see. So if it continues like that, it means the volume in the market is actually, the volumes of the buyer and the seller matches one another, and no one is able to pull through. No one is able to overcome or press down the other. So that is why you see something like that. But along the line, something will happen. That is what we call a breakout. So that is why you have to wait. So when you see something like this in the market, we have consolidation. The market is consolidating. It happens whether you know the power of the both the buyers and sellers are equal, or number two, maybe a news, an important news which is fundamental, is coming out, so people, we have to hold on and see what the news will be, because whenever the fundamental comes into the market, that is when a particular currency pair, features in the news, and the news is actually like maybe um, a high impact or medium impact. There are some news that moved markets heavily. Sometimes it moved markets for days, So people tend to get out of the market and wait for for something to happen. So when the noises that comes with the noise that comes with the news comes down and everything settles, then the technical analysis will now take over the market and resume its work. So whenever there is news, people goes out of the market, or people wait for, so that they can know what the news will be. If the news is negative or positive, if it's negative, it may be sell. Sometimes, if it is a positive, it may be buy. Somehow depends on the kind of news that is coming out and the kind of impact that is having on the market. So when you see something like this, it is telling you to get ready to either buy or to sell. At this point in time, nobody knows what will happen in the market, whether it's going to break up or it's going to break down. But that's why people wait. They wait and see what will happen in the market. So whenever the market is consolidating, know that it's moving that side way. You have to wait. Don't rush into the market. Don't ever jump into it. So that is the good trading system will give you direction in one way or the other, just like this. Then, apart from the indicator, some people are using, just only price action. Price action has to, consist of only only the candles and the lines. So we call it channel lines. There are so many kind of lines that determines whether the price is moving upward. So when you see series of candles going up, going up, so we know the market, the price moves like this. So we now draw the channel like this, like this. So this shows us that we are up. Same thing here. If the market is moving like this, so you draw your channel, then you know that the market is moving down. Then if you see something like this, so that is that. So that one will show you what's the direction. So as long as you're able to get the direction right, the rest is just secondary. Although they are important too, the entry and the exit. But the most important one of them is direction. Once you're able to get the direction right, you can flow with it until it bends, or it. They said trend is the trader's friend until it bends. So when the trend is exhausted, or trend bends, or trend is just tired of moving in that same direction, we say the trend has died. And then all you need to do is just pull out of the market and take the little you're able to make, or the much that you're able to make. So for the next video, we are going to talk about entry. We are going to talk about entry. So when we are talking about entry, direction will also come in. So you will we learn more about direction when we're talking about entry, because the direction we are talking about, if you don't master the way you enter into the market, you will surely lose, even if you know that this market is going up and you enter buy. If you don't enter well, the market will cut you out of the market. The price will cut you out of the market, and we will continue to move in that same direction. So for you in order not to, bear scarcity in the midst of plenty, that is, the price is still moving in that same direction that you enter, you followed, but yet you lost that trade. It happens times and times again. So entry is something that you need to sit down and learn how to do it accurately. Some people talk about sniper entry and all that, but then don't try to complex things for yourself. Take it in a very simple manner. So by the time we come back for entry, which will be the part two of this video, we are going to learn a lot about how to enter accurately. Entering entry accurately will has a lot of advantages. We'll be learning all those things when we come back for the next video to be posted later. Maybe as we are doing it periodically, we'll be posting it until we are able to be stable. So once again, you are welcome. This is where we will stop this one today. I hope that you have learned one or two things about this. By the time we are through with all this, you'll be able to sit down and and configure a particular trading system, put it together, that will make that will work for you as you. You are a unique trader. So you don't say because Lagbaja or Tamedu is using this one and is making money. You too, it is not a guarantee that you too will make money with the same system. But then you can sit down and put together your own trading system. And that is why we are teaching you all this. I pray that by the time we come together again, what you learned today will have helped you to improve in your trading. You will see difference. The Lord will help us. So one thing I want you to know is that as long as there is life, there is hope. Do not give up. You have been thinking, this a business for me? I don't know. I have been losing my money. It is because, if you don't know a thing, you don't know it. There's no magic about it. What you don't know is greater than you, is wiser than you. But once you're able to know it and you master it, then you become master over it. So that is why they say knowledge, knowledge is very, very critical and is a key. Sit down, give it your time. Anytime that's worth doing, do it right. As for forex trading, it takes time, it takes more knowledge, it takes experiences. But then, in no time, if you determine, you will get it right. So don't give up. Don't give up. I tell you, don't give up. I've been in your shoes before, but I thank God that I didn't give up then. There are so many people we started together, but today, forex trading has become history for them. But then they are looking at me and asking me, how am I doing it? Why? If you really determine to do something and you stick to it, success will come your way one day. I pray that success will come your way as you continue to learn and moving forward. So by that time, by the time we meet once again, I pray that it shall be well with you. You will succeed in this career. I will succeed in this career. Every one of us will succeed and we move forward. We have something tangible to show forth that we are doing with our forex trading business. So until then, see you later. Bye bye.